for activity number 5, it's time for a quiz to see how we're doing with jobs of nouns and our sentence patterns. So the first question I'm going to ask you is, what are the 6 jobs of a noun can do? This is where our little mnemonic will help you. And what are the 4 sentence patterns that we use to help us recognize them? Remembering that one of those sentence patterns does not have a job of a noun in it, but it's still something we should know. Down here, you'll see there are multiple different steps here. One thing I want you to do is identify the type of sentence. Either it's simple or compound or complex. And then you're going to look for all the nouns and underline them. There are 32 through these sentences, 32 nouns. And above the noun, you're going to label the job it's doing. Strongly advise that you go through the process that we talked about. Eliminate phrases. Then think about what order have we been looking for these things. After that, before you turn it in, I want you to go back and look at all the sentences and circle any transitions that you see. Okay, and when you're done, turn it in. If you need any help, come see me.